Tips and tricks for international students in the UK to secure job interviews after completing Masters in Supply Chain Management. Are you an international student who recently completed their Masters in Supply Chain Management from a UK university? Are you finding it challenging to secure a job interview? You are not alone. Many international students face difficulties finding their dream job. But don't worry, because in this video, I am going to share some useful tips and tricks to help you get that job interview and land your dream job. Hey guys, it's great to be back with another video on my channel. This video is very special because this is generated by AI as a trial for my channel. Today's video is especially for those international students who recently completed their Masters in Supply Chain Management and are facing difficulties securing a job in the UK. In this video, I'm going to share some of the best tips and tricks to help you get that job interview. So, stay tuned. Step 1. Optimize your CV and cover letter. The first tip for securing a job interview is to have an excellent CV and cover letter. Your CV is the first impression that the employer will have of you, so make sure it is well structured and contains all the relevant information. Highlight your skills, experience, and achievements that are directly related to the job you are applying for. Your cover letter should be personalized, show your enthusiasm, and explain why you are the perfect candidate for the job. Step 2. Do your research. The second tip for securing a job interview is to do your research. Research the company you are applying to and make sure you understand the job requirements and the company culture. This will help you tailor your application, including your CV and cover letter, to the job and the company. Step 3. Leverage your network. The third tip for securing a job interview is to leverage your network. Reach out to your university alumni, professors, and other professionals in your field. Attend networking events and conferences to connect with people who can help you land your dream job. Step 4. Build your online presence. The fourth tip for securing a job interview is to build your online presence. Many recruiters use LinkedIn and other social media platforms to find potential candidates. So, make sure your LinkedIn profile is up to date with your latest skills and achievements. Also, consider creating a personal website that showcases your portfolio and your past projects. Step 5. Keep improving your skills. The fifth and final tip for securing a job interview is to keep improving your skills. Consider taking online courses or attending workshops to enhance your skills and stay updated with the latest industry trends. This will not only make you stand out from the crowd but also help you perform well in your job once you get it. Let's end the video now. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Let me know your thoughts in comments below, especially for this video as it is AI generated. How did you like the content and video format? Should I make more like these, or would you like to see me in the videos with my original content? This video is just an experiment to see implement AI on my channel. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos.